Good morning, everyone. This is Miss Barry, and
Good morning, everyone. Mr. Hoffman here, your other math teacher.
all right. Well, welcome back to a second week of school. We're so excited to have you back again. This week's going to look a little different than what normal weeks look like. So we wanted to make sure that we gave you a video explaining what's going to go on this week. So right now, what you're looking at on the slide is you're seeing Math 6A. That's your course when you go into classes. And if you go into your class, right away, you'll get to this page where you can scroll down and see the announcements. This is the announcements for this week, 8/21. Please make sure you're reading these every single week when you come into your math class, okay? And you'll get to see what's going on. First part is live class schedule. For this week, our class schedule is very different. We are only going to have small group on Monday from 10 to 11 o'clock. Some of you will be invited from 10 to 10:30. Some of you will be invited from 10:30 to 11. And some of you may not have a small group this week. And that's okay. If you don't have a small group this week, it's probably because you finished your diagnostic already. So good job. Um, Tuesday through Friday is going to be fast PM1 test for ELA and math. Make sure you check your schedule. You should have one ELA fast math test, PM1, and you should have one math fast PM1 test on your schedule. If you do not, please reach out to your homeroom teacher. You should all have one of each. Plus, you'll have your small group for today for math. And all of your subject areas will be having classes today only. Tuesday through Friday this week, you won't see any other classes on your schedule. Use your time after you take your PM test to get caught up on all your assignments. If you want to see what's going on this week in math, you can click on your weekly module and it'll give you an idea of what we're doing this week. And Mr. Hoffman's going to explain to you what we're doing. What are the graded assignments for this week for math?
All right, graded assignments right there where it says weekly graded assignments. If you have not yet done so with your snapshot diagnostic, as Ms. Berry said, again, congratulations to those of you who have. And some of you are really close. I saw, watching those flags, getting that flag moved over to the end there, almost there. Good job, everyone. And getting those stars. Some of you know about the stars. That's great. Please continue to work on that if you are in need of that. Next, we have a quizzes that we made for you, kind of a fun way to kind of review and practice what we've learned this week so far, and a little bit of stuff in there. So please do that to remember to repeat. To repeat to remember to repeat. There we go. And remember how to say what I just told you correctly as well. The non-example. So please work on that as well. And I think we're going to take the highest score. So if you do that quizzes, you're like, oh, I can do better than this. Go back and do it again, and then do it again, and then eventually you're going to have a really great score in there, and that's the one we're going to count as your grade. All right. And of course, important announcements. Believe. Very probably the most important thing there. And we already kind of told you about testing. There's a little visual there for you, and Miss Berry pretty much covered all that for you. And that's pretty much it. You can see the teacher contact information down there. That's for Miss Berry. Mine is the same, except it's R HOFFMAN at digitalacademyoflorida.org. And you can see mine if you're in my class. Just go in there and you'll see the other details.
But please feel free to reach out to me or Mr. Hoffman if you have any questions. And I hope you have a great week and do your best on your PM1 because I know you guys are going to do great. We're excited to see how you do.